This thing is a must-have tool. It's the Titan Interfed roller. You got to check it out. If you don't buy it, test one out, because I believe if you test it out, it will make you so much money. With that, I want to give you 3 tips when it comes to using the Interfed roller, and one of them is delinting your rollers. The rollers themselves will typically have some lints or fuzz coming out of them, and if you're painting on smooth wall, level 5 finish, or even Sun Valley textured walls, you could get some of those lints on your walls, and you don't want to have to deal with that. A very fast, simple process to do is delint it. You can delint it with a roller tape. All you got to do is wrap 1.5 inch tape around your roller, just like this. Very simple, fast, easy to do. And the adhesive on the tape is going to pull off any loose lint or fuzz. So now all I got to do is just pull off the tape here. It's going to fluff up my roller and also delint it. You can take it outside into a bucket, and you can use a bucket of water to actually clean and fluff it up too, and pre-wet it, and that will delint it also. Just going to remove my tape off here. You can look on, there's a few little fuzzes, quite a few fuzzes on those. Those would have been on my wall. Now this thing is delinted, ready to go. Another tip is the airless sprayer pressure. I found the sweet spot running my sprayers right around 400 PSI. I use a Titan 440. That's a small pump. You don't need anything large. These are very convenient to move around, nice, small. The 400 PSI is all you need. If you get too much pressure coming out, you're going to get too much paint coming out here, and you could have paint spilling off your roller or nap, so don't run too much pressure. I like 400 PSI. Another thing is Titan now has come up with this extension at a 90-degree angle right here, where I can just run my regular airless gun. I used to always run an inline gun, which is very natural to roll, and the angle of my hand is very natural. Now you can see it's kind of almost exactly the same as an inline gun. But the big benefit to this, once I got this thing clean, I just removed my extension, and now I got my gun still attached to my sprayer, and I can go spray ceilings, walls, or trim, and I don't have to have a dedicated sprayer. So there's 3 tips when using the Interfed roller.